So what's up guys, this is Sunny Sheikh back again with a new video. So finally I think 1 month తర్వాత నేను మళ్ళీ వీడియో చేస్తున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ సూపర్ ఎక్సైటెడ్. సో నా హెయిర్ స్టైల్ చూసి భయపడద్దు, ఎందుకంటే ఇట్స్ నౌ కరెంట్లీ ట్రెండింగ్ ఫ్యాషన్ విచ్ ఇస్ సెట్ బై అవర్ హాలీవుడ్ స్టార్ అఖిల్.
ఈ మధ్య బాహుబలి చిత్రాన్ని టాలీవుడ్ సినిమాని హాలీవుడ్కి తీసుకెళ్లారు రాజమౌళి గారు. వినయ్ గారు హాలీవుడ్ హీరోని టాలీవుడ్కి తీసుకొచ్చారు అఖిల్ని.
Okay, jokes apart, let me set my hair in a snap. So yeah, now let's start the video. So before starting video, you can see I have reached my home. I'm back to my home because of corona we got again holidays for 2 months. Don't forget to follow the safety regulations to avoid corona. So without delaying, let's start the video. So this video is going to be crazy because I conducted a quiz for all the crushes since my childhood and they have been responded to my quiz. So I'm gonna show you the results, what they have said to me. First of all, I sent them a Microsoft form and a photo and a note which is like this here. So I guess I had a crush on you. If you received this form, it means I have had feelings for you at some point. Chances are I don't have crush on you anymore, so please don't feel awkward. Not expecting anything from this besides quality YouTube content. Be as honest as you want with your answers. I will try not to get offended. Thanks for cooperating and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Sincerely, Sunny. So first crush anangane, you know, all my all-time favorite crush Kirti Suresh kuda ee quiz పంపించాను, but she didn't react. కానీ మీరు అనుకుంటున్నట్టు కాదు, షీ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు కీప్ అవర్ రిలేషన్షిప్ ఇన్ పబ్లిక్ అనమాట. సో ఇలా నేను యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోలో తన ఫీలింగ్స్ అని చెప్పేస్తే తను కొంచెం ఫీల్ అయిద్దని నాకు ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పింది. సో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోనా షో యూ ఆల్ మై పర్సనల్ స్టఫ్. సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టేక్ దేర్ నేమ్స్. షీ ఈజ్ అ గర్ల్, ఐ షుడ్ సే నేను ఇంజనీరింగ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత కొంచెం ఏమంటారు, ఒకే క్లాస్లో ఉండి కొంచెం బోర్ కొట్టినప్పుడు క్లాస్లో అటు ఇటు చూస్తున్నప్పుడు పరిచయమైంది అనమాట. బట్ షీఈస్ క్రేజీ నఫ్. అండ్ ది ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్, డిడ్ యూ నో దట్ ఐ లైక్ యూ? ఎస్, యూ నో, కాజ్ ఎందుకంటే నేనే చెప్పాను తనకి ఐ లైక్ హెర్ అని. హౌ డిడ్ యూ గాట్ టు నో దట్ ఐ లైక్ యూ? యూ డోంట్ లైక్ మీ, యూ లవ్ మీ అండ్ ఐ నో ద వే యూ లైక్ ఇట్ లుక్ ఎట్ మీ, ద వే ఐ లుక్ ఎట్ హర్. అలా
కొంటే చూపుతో నీ కొంటే చూపుతో నా మనసు మెల్ల.
డిడ్ యూ ఎవర్ లైక్ మీ? ఎస్, తను కూడా నాకు చెప్పింది దట్ షీ లైక్. రేట్ మై ఫిజికల్ అట్రాక్టివ్నెస్ 10. రేట్ మై పర్సనాలిటీ 10. ఓకే. వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్ ఆన్ మీ? ఐ థాట్ యు ఆర్ మీన్ పర్సన్. ఐ am mean a bit. What is your present impression on me? You are a special person. I don't want to ruin it by vulnerable with you, she told me. What terms are we right now? 5. I have given 7 because ఇంతకుముందు ఉన్నంత ఇప్పుడు లేదు. బట్ హౌ weird or awkward is this one? Okay. Any final words for me or for my viewers? I don't care about your viewers. My final words will be, I will always care for you, although I don't love you or I love you. I don't know yet. I don't want to know. I'll be there for you at any point of my life. If I hurted you, I'm sorry. That's sweet and cute. I'm actually blushing. Let's go to the second person. She's the girl, same from my college and my section. She's kind of cute. Kind of not, she's cute. Did you know that I liked you? Yes, I have talked to her. How did you got to know that I liked you? By being good friends. Yeah. Did you ever like me? Yes. Rate my physical attractiveness 9. Why not 10? Rate my personality 9. Okay. What was your first impression on me? Cool and too good. Really? What is your present impression on me? Cool and too good. That doesn't change. Means I have not changed regarding to her. What terms are we right now? 6. Yeah, we should develop it. We should make it to at least 8. How weird or awkward is this? 5. Actually, if anyone should have given me, I would surely give it 10. Any final words for me or my viewers? Nothing. Nothing, man. Nothing. Yeah, again from my college. She's not from my section or anything, but I randomly saw her in college from the, I think కాలేజీలో వెళ్ళంగానే ఎవరెవరు బాగున్నారో అలా చూస్తాం కదా, అలా ఓ ముగ్గురు నలుగురు నచ్చారు, దాంట్లో ఈ అమ్మాయి కూడా ఒకళ్ళు అనమాట. సో డిడ్ యూ నో దట్ ఐ లైక్ యూ? ఎస్. హౌ గాట్ టు నో దట్ ఐ లైక్ యూ? ఎస్, నేనే చెప్పాను. ఎవర్ లైక్ మీ? మేబీ. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ మేబీ? My physical attractiveness 8. Okay, I'm not that attractive, I know. Rate my personality 8. Okay, what was your first impression on me? Talkative. Yeah, I talk too much. From now onwards I should not talk much. You should be very poised. I can't be like that. So what is your first impression, present impression on me? Same, doesn't change. What terms are we right now? 8. Actually, I would give 2 or 3 because we are not talking much. Or even in our college, when we came face to face, we don't talk much. Just we will smile at each other. Weird or awkward is this 3. Okay. Any final words for my viewers or for me? All the best for your future. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's trip on to the next one. She is the girl from my 9th standard. Actually, every person in our section thought we both are lovers, but we are not. Did you know that I liked you? Yes. How did you got to know that I liked you? You said once, fuck yeah, I'm telling to everyone that I had crush on them. Did you ever like me? Yes. She likes me. My physical attractiveness 6. इतना बुरा तो नहीं दिखता हूँ यार. Rate my personality 8. Okay. What was your first impression on me? We were good friends, remember. I asked for impression. I didn't ask for relationship. What is your present impression on me? Still a friend, but we don't speak that much now. Yeah, you are the one who is not speaking. Terms are we right? Are we on right now? 2. Yeah, I agree with that. 2 or 3. How weird or awkward is this? 10. I agree with her again. Any final words for me or my viewers? What the hell, guys? Sunny is boring. Watch BTS. I hardly get nearly 300 to 400 views, and you are saying that 300 to 400 members also to watch BTS. If any one of you who's watching this video didn't subscribe me, please subscribe and like, share, and share my videos to your friends. Yeah, come on, encourage new talent.
Encourage new talent. Please.
Next response is she's from my own మా ఊరే అనమాట. విలేజ్ అన్నాలో టౌన్ అన్నాలో నాకు అర్థం కాదు మా ఊరిని. సో షీఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ చింతలపూడి. ఫ్రమ్ చైల్డ్హుడ్, నాట్ చైల్డ్హుడ్, ఫ్రమ్ 6th or 7th. Did you know that I liked you? Yes, she knows. How did you got to know that I liked you? I think I have said, or some mutual friends have been said that to her. Did you ever like me? Yes, he likes me. Wow. Rate my physical attractiveness 9. Rate my personality 9. Thank you. What was your first impression on me? You were really nice since I met you in grade 6. Yeah, grade 6 I think so. Okay, so I thought you were going to be really shy and not talk a lot. Really contrast from my character. What is your present impression on me? You are a really nice person and an awesome friend. You are one of the few people that I enjoyed talking to. Thank you. I do enjoy talking to you, but we don't talk too much. What terms are we right now? 9. Actually, I should give 6 because we react to our stories and then we start our conversation, but we don't message frequently. How weird or awkward is this? 5. Okay. Any final words for me or my viewers? Work hard to achieve what you want. Never give up. Everyone has their opinions, but don't let it affect your dream. Nothing can stop you. That's so cool, man. Let's go to the next response. She's the girl from my 9th standard. Every guy in my section, or I don't know about school, but every guy in my section used to have crush on her. Did you know that I liked you? No, She doesn't know that I like her because she used to not to come to school regularly. Only at the time of exams she used to come and write the exams and go. And I don't even remember that I have been talked to her. How did you got to know that I liked you? She doesn't know that I like her. Then how will she get to know? Okay. Did you ever like me? No. Yeah. Rate my physical attractiveness 5. Okay. I am getting a bit offended. Okay. Rate my personality 5. Oh, what was your first impression on me? I don't really remember. Yeah. As I said, she doesn't come to school. What is your present impression on me? Nothing. Yeah, nothing. What terms are we right now? 5. Actually, I will give 1 cause I don't even know her Insta ID. For this video, I have started searching for her name and I got the ID and I sent her a request. She didn't even accept, but I sent the message. She gave reply to that. That's it, and nothing much more have been happened between us. So I would give 1, or if there is 0, I would have been given 0. How weird or awkward is this one? Okay. Any final words for me or my viewers now? Okay. Okay. Now let's read the another response. She is my friend sex. Did you know that I liked you? Kinda. She knows. How did you got to know that I liked you? I don't know. Or like me? Yes. Oh, finally she said that she liked me. Rate my physical attractiveness 9. Thank you. Rate my personality 10. Yes. Sorry. Biceps.
వారం రోజులైంది జిమ్కెళ్ళి బాడీ బాగా లూజ్ అయిపోయింది.
What was your first impression on me? Fraud. What is your present impression on me? Good. Yeah, I am a good boy. What terms are we on right now? 8. I should have given 9 because we are talking daily. She's the only girl I am talking to now at present daily. How weird or awkward is this? 1. Okay. She didn't feel weird. Any final words for me or my viewers? Nothing. Okay. Now let's go to another response. She is friend of my crush and she also became my crush.
నువ్వేం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు అర్థమవుతుందా నీకు?
I don't know you got it or not. She's friend of my crush and she also became my crush anamata.
నువ్వు ఎలా చెప్పావు తెలుసా? ఆకిస్ పాక్ పాకిస్ ఆక్ సో ఆక్ పాక్ కరే పాక్లే చెప్పావు.
This girl is very cute. Did you know that I liked you? No. How do you got to know that I liked you? I don't know. Did you ever like me? No. It's okay. She has boyfriend. Sorry, she have boyfriend. Rate my physical attractiveness 8. Okay. Rate my personality 8. Okay. I agree with you. What was your first impression on me? Good looking and kind person. Good looking. What is your present impression on me? A good, kind-hearted person. Then where did this good looking went? Is it gone? What terms are we right now? 7. Actually, I would have given 3 or 4. We don't talk much. How weird or awkward is this? 10. Okay. Any final words for me or my viewers? All the best. Thank you. On to our final response, and she's a girl from my college. Oh no यार, कितने girls पे है college में ही बहुत सारे girls. Okay. But weirdly, I got many crushes from my own college, and I'm telling to my friends that no one is good looking. Pity on me. As I said earlier, there are 3 or 4 girls which I used to see at the starting of the college, and she's one of them. Did you know that I liked you? No, she doesn't, because I didn't tell her, or no, none of my friends have been told her. Okay. How did you got to know that I liked you? I never knew. She never knew. Okay. Did you ever like me? But I wanted to be friends with you. Yeah, I do want to be a friend with you. Rate my physical attractiveness 8. Rate my personality 9. Thank you. I think they are being so nice to me. What was your first impression on me? Never thought about it. What is your present impression on me? We don't talk much, I guess. Yeah, we don't talk. We have to talk. What terms are we right now? Yeah, 1, surely. But I would have given 2, cause we react to our stories. How weird or awkward is this? 6. Okay. Any final words for me or my viewers? Sunny is very good at creating content. Do subscribe and support him. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet of you. So that's it, guys. This is all for this today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think you will also have some cute crush stories as like me. So మీ క్రష్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి అబ్బా, ఎందుకు దాస్తారు, భయపడతారు? ఏమైద్ది, మహా అయితే మాట్లాడడం మానేస్తారు, అంతే కదా. దట్స్ ఇట్. వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడకపోతే ఏంటి, వీ హ్యావ్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్ టు టాక్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. What am I talking even? If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be entertaining like this more. So I will be back again with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.